Happy bees, it's Amanda and today we're going to make this My Little Pony cake together. I'm also going to show you how to make Rainbow Dash and Twilight Sparkle cake toppers as well. I made this cake using Rainbow fondant and Saraceno modelling paste, and you can find links in the description for everything you need to make this at home. So to start out, we're going to make a rainbow, and I've got 6 colours of fondant. I'm going to roll those out into skinny sausages and layer them on top of each other using a cookie cutter for support in the centre. I'm going to trim that at the bottom and leave it to dry. Roll out 6 more sausages of fondant and stick them onto the front of your cake with some water. Create some fluffy clouds for your cake by rolling out small balls of fondant and then covering this with some more white fondant. Once you've made all of your clouds, I think I might have made 6 or 8 in total, use your fingers to mould around the edges and place those onto your cake. Once your rainbow is dried out a bit, make 2 more larger clouds. Use your rainbow as a guide to mark where you're going to slot it inside. Leave those to the side to dry while we get on to making Rainbow Dash. Make a body for Rainbow Dash by taking a large piece of your blue modelling paste, roll it into a teardrop shape and then twist the narrow section up to create a neck. Create 4 legs for Rainbow Dash by rolling out your modelling paste into 4 equal sausage shapes and apply pressure at the top half so that it's narrow at the top and wider at the bottom. Insert a cocktail stick for support and stick those on using some water, and if you want you can set it up against something until it firms up a little bit. Make a face for your Rainbow Dash by rolling some fondant into a ball shape, and then you're just going to pinch the bottom of it to create kind of like a nose or a snout. Use a cake decorating tool to create a little mouth and some nostrils. And we're going to use a ball tool to create some eye sockets. We're going to fill those in with white fondant. We're going to use some black edible paint to give her some nice fluffy eyelashes. And we're going to use some pink and black fondant to create eyes. Trace out a wing for your My Little Pony onto some of your modelling paste and cut that out, and then a smaller wing as well, and just layer those on top of each other and stick them on. And you can see that I've used some food wrap there to support the wings while they dry. 2 small balls of fondant will create ears for your My Little Pony. Just pinch them down at the bottom and create an indentation in the middle. And now my favourite bit is the hair. The key to making good hair for Rainbow Dash is to roll out some thin pieces of fondant in your different colours and just keep layering those until it starts to look like Rainbow Dash. make Twilight Sparkle in exactly the same way. The only thing you're going to really change is the colour of her eyes and the colour of her hair. I made this My Little Pony cake for my niece's 5th birthday. She just loves My Little Pony, and if you know anybody that loves My Little Pony, make sure to share this video with them. And if you want to see more Happy Bee Kids cakes, that's a mouthful, or kids cake toppers, click on that link above and you'll see plenty more videos just like this one. So now that we have our My Little Pony cake toppers created and our rainbow is dry, the last thing to do is to put it all together. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you do recreate anything of mine, I'd love to see your creations. You can tag me on Instagram. And if you're new here and you want to learn how to create cakes and cake toppers, make sure you subscribe and become part of the Happy Bee Cakes community. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!